Alright guys, so some of here, one lobster and a trigger fish. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do today now, I'm gonna roast them in a garlic butter sauce. Right? And see everything I'm gonna use right here, so including them. So guys, if you all celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Cause this is a video I shoot on Christmas Day. Yeah. Yeah, so you see yes. Scaling on thyme, a brown country pepper. You don't know pepper here is no joke. Onion and garlic. Yeah. And to Maggi season. You don't know. All purpose. Can't get a fish season, so just get to all purpose instead. You see me? Yeah, so this is my today, right? The fire catch already. So I'm done season up them here. And then I just stop and the garlic butter sauce. You see me? Yeah man. Don't forget guys, leave a comment down below. You see me? Want to think about the video here. Leave a like, share the video. Help me grow man. I'm there 91 sub now, so help me grow man. Share the video. Everybody you know. I could be a mother, sister, anybody. I mean I always say, man, burn up YouTube, upload YouTube, be a video, be a vlog back to back to back. You see me? If you realize every day I video job. You see me? So follow the IG. The 2 page them down below in the description. So scroll down, click it and give me a follow. Because before I actually put on YouTube, I always post a snippet on IG. So open up on IG, you see what I go on before you actually post on YouTube. You see me? So go over there and follow them on the 2 page them. So a time now guys to get to season up. You see me? So you don't know, fish slice up, see on 2 sides. See rubbing season I slice them, you see me? But my number one. Throw some name. Rub it up, I'm gonna say my number one. Alright, so this finish now. Lobster time I know. So guys, I clean up from yesterday, you see me? Because I yesterday I did the video on Christmas Eve, but
What's that smell? Yeah. What is up?
alright guys, so 1.5, it's basically 1 season let back, so I tried one of them in the sauce, you see me? Yeah. So this done now guys, so I'm gonna get started on the season now. So I'm soon come back. Time now to wash off. I'm gonna use so all them things gonna be. You see me? But now I use all the garlic, right? Enough garlic if I'm made of garlic like that. You see me? So I use this, right? And I use coconut oil. Alright, so everything I use now guys, yeah? All the clean up now. See add half an onion here. Yeah. I'm say coconut oil or boil what there, you see me? What do you want to do? I rub it on the lobster and fish before I season it, but honestly, I never remember it, so I just throw it in the sauce. You see me? Yeah, I just throw some of it in the sauce. Yeah, so I cut it them here now. I'll link on the back. Alright guys, so I go on here, right? As you know, done season up already. This is now, say chiffon butter. Yeah, some of the chiffon butter. with you chop out of this is the coconut oil, right? And Maggi season, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, onion, and all that, right? So right now this ready to go up on the fire, but the fire move away. Look here, you know long this light, boy I don't know one thing called. They call it very hard to deal with. That's why more murder use the wood fire, you see me, because when I light it, it just light. They call it dead and hard to catch, man. So what I do now, I chop up on stick and put night, you see me, and light it again. But I don't know who do it, man, because I can't buy it then dead coal, yeah. You see me, this is how I slow me what about now. You see me? So right now, how I feel to I feel to just light back this, right? Light back this, and now I'm going to catch. But I put this inside to go and melt out, and by the time the fire catch, right, this melt out, and throw up on the fish and the lobster, and just put it on. You see me? Guys, that's what I'm going to do. That I'm going to do. Today just nice, the weather just nice, you know? Bit of blow cool. You see me? But one thing, if we go, the sun follow me. You see me? Yeah, man. It's quite nice, see? Actually, well, people behind me. I've got enough money same way, you see me? And I go enough of a fight same way, you see me? Yeah, man. So, one stick control on the fire. Get this. Put it around. So, I'm soon linking back, guys. Alright, guys, so the fire light already. Alright, light back. So, I'm going to chop now by baking powder because sister got my festival. That not record because anybody want to come on camera. You see me? So, hopefully when I come back, you finish catch. You see me? That cold has stressed me out, I swear. So, soon come back. Alright guys, so fire catch now. Finally catch. So I'm ready now. I'm going to put it back inside and put it on this now. I never put it on the stove now. I'm going to put it up and never light the fire. So I'm going to go put it back now. Yeah, but everyone guys, the sun come out, I swear. So I'm leave I see if I see the video good. You see me? So hopefully I see everything good. Everywhere I go, sun come out today, I swear. Alright guys, so see what I'm going to need to know. Pack gun up on fire. Yeah. So as soon as this start melt, I'll check it back out now and show you how it's going. So guys, if you start melting now, so basically this soon ready to chop on the fish. Yeah. But if we go, the sun come. Open up so we're going to have good. So yeah guys, so take off butter now. Yeah. And yeah. So time now for throw on the sauce. Remember the sauce contain like until what end of this now. The garlic, chiffon butter, coconut oil, garlic, pepper, scallion, thyme, and onion, and Maggi season. So that is that. Throw some on the file though. That should do throw some on the file first. So your fish no stick. And take out the mirror. the season them. Because it depends, you know. So yeah guys, after I know prep up this, I'll throw it on back on the fire. So I'm soon just came back on guys. When I do wrap up this. Alright guys, so this is it. So basically I'm on the slow cook now. To around 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Yeah. So put it on the fire now. But first I'm gonna do something. Put it across like this. You see me? Because if I put it on like this, if I go hold, you see me, because it's not good enough. Here, oxygen, so try to find something, put across there. Yeah, and I know I put something to the fire, now I want to slow cook. Alright guys, so see it here now. Yeah. Yeah. What I'm gonna do, you know? What I'm gonna do, I just put the grill over the cold stove and then put the lobster and the fish on it and just roast it like that. And then I tip on the sauce on it, but no, I choose to put it on the foil paper, you see me? So if the lobster don't come out how I want it, I just put it on the grill a few minutes, you see me? So yeah. So I soon come back guys with this finish here, so I'm see progress or something. Yeah, soon come back. So guys, my turn the fish. I don't know, I can't flip this as a bowl now. So I pull it back to turn it. The sauce right there. See? Looking good, looking good. Yeah, someone cook guys, slow cook. Yeah. I'm locking up back now. And linking back one time this finish because this can finish. You see me, because I don't know, so this not take long cook. Between 10 to 15 minutes fish cook and I see lobster. So I go on there. Yeah man, so lobster and that's how fish and what do you name again?
Festival.
Festival for breakfast, guys. Alright. So I go in here guys. This finished cooking now. Wow. When I feel like I take off lobster and put it on the grill for a few minutes. I'm not sure I'm ready yet. But everything cooking now. You see me? I don't know why, but for the me. Guess what I put in it? Salt. I always cook and forget salt. How day. But the season I'm inside at night, so guys, I'm gonna take it off now. Look at the salt, Kim. Try it off and see what I'm going to eat. Eh? So Kim thing done, Kim?
You can do chicken if you are turkey yourself. Right now,
Taste the fish now. As the first, let me taste trigger fish. But if you do something going on it, it's still nice to me. Kind of the butter having salt and the season having salt. Oui. I like fish, yeah. I like it. The chicken fish, I like it.
Tell us if you call it fun tea. She not even.
But that's not for more and fish there.
Baba,
Tea her.
Baba, eat it.
Lobster.
I don't think a tea and that tea.
So I shell down it now with some fish as well. At the same time and throw it up, you see me? So come back. Alright guys, I just done shell down the food, you see me? Very nice. Lobster, I like it. Right? But the fish there, the chicken fish, I do like the fish there, I swear. Where's the camera? Why? Come give your feedback on the thing. Anyway guys, kitchen no, next video. Let me say like, comment, share, subscribe, follow the IG. And if you page them down below, look more. Merry Christmas. So all to celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoy the Christmas here, you see me? Yeah, look more.